Hey guys, look what I found in my stash. So you know what we're going to do with this. Let's get going. Thanks for joining me today, guys. We're going to have some fun with this cute little Hocus Pocus set. This is from Echo Park, and I've got to make about 25 quick but cute little Halloween cards for the kiddos in my life, and I thought this little kit would be perfect. Now, we're mainly going to be using cut-aparts, and the back of this cover sheet has some cut-aparts on it. In fact, there's 2 of every paper and cut-apart sheet in here, so you can make tons of cards with this. I think this is going to last me for a couple of years doing Halloween cards. But aren't these cute, guys? The perfect size for the front of a card. Then, of course, we've got some adorable stickers. And these are good heavyweight stickers. I really like these as well. This kit also comes with lots of cute little Halloween papers. They're all double-sided and just cute as they can be. And to make this go even faster, I have pulled some sketches from the Cardz TV, Card Kit and Caboodle sketches. And I'm going to go ahead and take these papers and cut them according to the sketches and have them all ready so I can get this done quick, because I want to get these done and in the mail to all those sweet little kiddos that I love so much. Okay, guys, I'm going to grab my card bases and we're going to get started. Okay, y'all, here's the first set of 6 cards using sketch number 20. There is magic in the night when pumpkins glow by moonlight. And you can see I added some of these faceted black enamel gems, just like in the sketch. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers, 'tis near Halloween. Then we just have trick or treat, get your witchy on, too cute to spook, and spooktacular. So there's 6, guys. Now we're going to take another sketch. Let's see, this is sketch number 8, and we're going to do 6 more with this one. Let's get going. Here are the next 6 cards using sketch number 8. We've got Eat, Drink, and Be Spooky, and I added some more of those black faceted enamel gems. This one just says Spooky with the skeleton. Double, Double, Toil and Trouble, Fire, Burn, and Cauldron Bubble. It's All Just a Bunch of Hocus Pocus. That one's cute. This one had nothing at the bottom, so this is one of the stickers that I've popped up on some foam tape. It says Happy Halloween, and we've got the graveyard scene there. And here's another Bubble, Bubble, Toil and Trouble. So we've got 12 cards done now, guys. I'm going to keep going because I need to do at least 8 more. Here are the 6 cards I made using sketch number 3. We've got Double, Double, Toil and Trouble, Fire, Burn, and Cauldron Bubble. And you can see I've added some of those faceted black enamel gems. We've got Trick or Treat. There's that spooky skeleton. And this is a sticker because this was empty down at the bottom. And it says Boo. It's All Just a Bunch of Hocus Pocus. And there's Magic in the Night When Pumpkins Glow by Moonlight. Now, with this sketch I did 6, sketch number 3. Here are the 6 I did with sketch number 8. And here are the 6 I did with sketch number 20. So that gives me 18 cards, and I needed 2 more. So for that, I didn't use a sketch, but I did use some of those square cut-aparts. Isn't this one cute? Let's do the Monster Mash. I think he's adorable. And I put some faceted dots on there. And Say Boo and Scare On. Isn't that a cute little ghosty? So there's my 20 cards for the sweet little kiddos in my life. And it was so quick and easy, guys. If you're in a slump and you're having trouble making cards, let me suggest this. Get a kit, get those cut-aparts out, grab a couple of sketches, and just put some cards together. And before you know it, your creativity comes back, you're having fun again, and you are ready to make some more cards. It's just so much fun, guys. I cannot tell you how much fun I've had with these kits. Now, I found a Christmas kit in my stash, too, so we're going to be doing that pretty soon. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I have had the best time, and I hope you have, too. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.